to Harper's vlog. Ooh, that should be an intro.
Hi.
Down. Hey, to GoPro.
I'm making a vlog.
I want to be in the vlog.
Yeah.
Why is this our Kiki's vlog?
Then,
No way. I'm not sitting with that. Unless
He can sit between us.
Yeah, he can go on the floor.
He can sit on our lap.
wait, what are you
Say hi to Shayla.
Eddie, what you doing there?
Say hi to McKenna. Hey, let me say hi.
Hi, look at the
Whoa. I'll ask you guys questions.
Welcome to my vlog. Yeah, that's Harper.
Hey!
Say hi.
What's up?
Give me a
You just skipped over.
I gained money from this. Really? I didn't.
Oh my hi.
We're on a boat.
No one's here.
We're gonna be here.
People are here. Look. Who's it? Who's it? Look.
Where's your steak?
Look. Is that going? Wait, can I tell her about my panini?
No, I got a panini. Okay. Yeah, paninis are great. What? Why?
No, ew. Wait, no, get rid of that.
Stop. What is that?
Look, you guys have got a Happy Meal.
I like the nails.
Thank you.
It's a hamster.
I love hamsters. All of mine have died of mysterious reasons.
Mondays?
Yeah.
So this is like our weekend?
We've been on this bus for like 10 hours.
Mondays and
Yeah.
3 days?
Okay, wait. Do you want to be in the video?
Wait, let's do the reveal.
Yeah, we need to do it together. Okay, we're doing a tour of our tent.
Ready? So you guys, look at this beautiful,
You guys are gonna be in our
beautiful
video.
stone walk. Lousy tent over there, but really important.
Okay, let's go in. So, McKenna,
It smells really bad. It smells like bug spray.
this is my bed, and that's Shayla's, and that's McKenna's.
I'm sleeping over here. We got into an argument with someone because they want to sleep over here.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
gonna spill the
That.
tea.
Here, wait. Here, use this to
recording
prop
us?
it up. Shayla means business.
Here, use this.
Oh, we're playing. We're playing.
Okay,
We're playing Cards Against Humanity.
Okay, I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna read the card. So, dear leader
That camera
Jim
angle.
Kong-un, dear leader Jim Kong-un of.
So, and then I put that down.
One for that one.
Oh.
Did you all place it?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
It's
And I'm gonna
perfect.
read like the situation, and then you read like the situation. Okay.
Okay, let's play.
Let's just please play Harper.
Okay. This is day 2.
Just chilling in here.
No, I'm making a vlog.
Hello. Wait, are you just... How many vlogs have you made? Your hair's really pretty.
Thank you.
I just noticed that. I'm not even...
Wait, can I see something? Hi.
Hello, day 2. We're having a bit of a conundrum. Yeah.
We're about to go river rafting at 9 o'clock. What time is it? It's 7:55.
No. Brendan, buckle up.
I just went to go get something.
No, you didn't.
Because I'm really hungry. Natty. Driving up and there's a fire. Oh, there's a car. Wait, I don't know. Oh, I'm recording it. Yeah, I'm recording it as well. And it's on fire. Oh, the mountain's on fire. Wait, really? It's spreading? Ooh. Whoa, fire's like spreading. What do you see? Here, I'll try to see the fire.
Harper's on this side.
No one has called 911. There's a fire. Damn, look at all that smoke, man. Bro, the mountain is on fire as well.
Dude, it's a FedEx truck. Oh, shoot. FedEx truck.
Bro, the mountain is on fire too.
Oh, damn. Oh, jeez. Totally, it's a FedEx truck. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
smell it from in here. Damn, son. Oh, the mountain is on fire too.
Oh, high forest fire. Holy shit. Okay, so I'm gonna explain like what just happened, and I know I didn't get like barely any footage, but that's what I have. Anyway, so the fire. So that was really crazy, I know. There was actually a dead body. We saw a dead body. This kid in our class, he got a picture of it, like of the dead body, and then he airdropped it to everyone, so then everyone saw it, and because we're all on the bus together. But yeah, I'm not gonna put the picture in because that's just way too much and it's like disrespectful and everything. I'm not gonna pull a Logan Paul. Yeah, so that was the video. Hope you liked it. You probably didn't watch it. The people who probably watched it were probably from my school who went on the trip. Thanks for watching. Sorry if you don't want to be in it. Well, too bad because you're in it. Don't sue me. Bye.